Hello, St. Louis. My name is Steve Bobinet, and I'm the owner here at Accredited Roofing. Today, I would like to offer you 4 things to look for in a roofing contractor when deciding who to hire for your new roof replacement. The first is, how long of a workmanship guarantee does the roofing contractor offer? Here at Accredited Roofing, we offer a 10-year workmanship guarantee on all work that we do. Not only that, but we also have our 100% satisfaction guarantee, which states if you're not 100% happy with the work we perform, we don't expect to get paid until you are. The second important thing to look for in a roofing contractor is how well do they communicate. Here at Accredited Roofing, we communicate at every phase of the job, from when are the shingles being delivered to when is the team going to show up to perform the work to the final walkthrough at the end of the project. The third thing you should look for when hiring a roofing contractor is how well do they clean up after the job is done. Here at Accredited Roofing, we have an MVP catcher. His name is the catch-all system. And this catch-all system is set up around the perimeter of the home for every roof replacement we do. The catcher basically catches any debris that falls off the roof and prevents it from going into your landscaping and damaging your home. The fourth and final thing to look for in a roofing contractor when deciding who to hire for your new roof replacement is, what does the community say about that company? Well, how do you even find that information? Well, basically, you go on Google, you put in the company name, and it's going to give you a reflection of what the community says about that company. Here at Accredited Roofing, we have a 4.9 Google rating, just about 300 Google reviews. Another way to also look at a roofing contractor is through the Better Business Bureau. They have ratings there, and you can take a look and see the kind of contractor that you possibly would be hiring. I have a bonus and a 5th thing to look for, but this pertains mostly to storm damage. When hiring a contractor for storm damages, especially to your roof system, is, do they offer assistance with your claim? Do they communicate directly with the insurance carrier? Here at Accredited Roofing, we have the easy button process. Once you've agreed to have us do the work for you, we do all of the work for you with the insurance carrier, from sending in the receipts or completion notices to all the supplements, and those things help you to just sit back and push the easy button. So to wrap it up, St. Louis, those are the things you should look for when hiring a roofing contractor. We'll hope you'll give us a shot. We have complimentary inspections, free estimates, and we can get out within a day in most situations. So click on the link below and give us a shot. We'd sure love to serve you with excellence, authenticity, and love. Thanks, St. Louis.